What if your glow didn't need a $100 cream? What if the secret was a $1 sweet potato? Stay tuned to find out which one truly makes your skin shine. I'm Carolyn, and if you think you need fancy creams to glow, you'll want to see this. Tap like and subscribe, and I'll show you how real glow starts from within. Here's the thing, your skin reflects what you eat more than what you apply. Expensive creams fade, but nutrient-packed foods build real, lasting radiance. Did you know your skin loses about 1% of its collagen every year after your 20s? That adds up fast. But here's the good news, nutrients like vitamin C, protein, and antioxidants may help your body naturally support collagen production. Think of protein as your skin's building blocks. Collagen and elastin, what gives skin strength and bounce, are made from amino acids in foods like chicken, eggs, beans, and lentils. Studies suggest that getting enough protein supports skin elasticity, smoothness, and overall hydration. Omega-3 don't just hydrate, they help strengthen your skin's natural barrier and calm irritation. Some studies suggest omega-3 may improve hydration and skin smoothness within a few weeks of regular intake. Daily avocado consumption may support skin elasticity and firmness, not just moisturizing but rejuvenating. Imagine that creamy avocado toast fueling both your body and your glow. Nuts and seeds, tiny but mighty, vitamin E, zinc, selenium. I always keep a jar in my bag. What's your go-to snack, almonds or walnuts? Craving glow. Vitamin C is a collagen-building superstar. Research suggests it plays a key role in collagen production, which may support brighter, healthier-looking skin. Berries, pomegranates, apples loaded with antioxidants. Think of them as tiny shields protecting your collagen. Which berry is your favorite? Mine's blueberries always. Orange veggies, sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkin give you vitamin A for smooth skin. Ever notice that golden color after roasted carrots? That's nature's glow food. The darker the color, the stronger the skin protection. Purple potatoes, cabbage, they fight inflammation and keep circulation moving for that rosy glow. Spinach, kale, broccoli, they flood your body with A, C, K vitamins. Every time I up my greens, my skin looks calmer. Do you notice that too? Mushrooms, so underrated, honestly. Vitamin D plus antioxidants. I toss shiitake into stir-fries all the time. They quietly defend your skin while adding flavor. Glowing skin starts in your gut, you know. Kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, happy gut, happy skin. My go-to? Greek yogurt with berries. It tastes like dessert, but it's skin fuel. Want a glow that packs a punch? Turmeric, garlic, and black pepper aren't just flavorful, they bring anti-inflammatory power to protect your skin. Research suggests curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may help defend collagen by reducing oxidative stress. Good news, treats like dark chocolate and green tea can actually support your skin. They're rich in antioxidants, which may help reduce the everyday stresses that break down collagen and affect skin health. Even tiny servings of organ meats or oysters pack nutrients like zinc and vitamin A. Consider trying a mini serving once a week for a nutrient boost. Want a natural reset? Fasting might be the answer you're looking for. Even a simple 12-hour overnight fast may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic conditions. This reduction in inflammation could indirectly benefit skin health, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. While research on fasting and skin is still developing, early findings are promising. Scientists are discovering how fasting can influence various biological processes. Many studies suggest that lowering inflammation supports healthier collagen and a calmer glow. So, if you're looking to enhance your skin's natural beauty, consider incorporating fasting into your routine. If you're looking for a delicious and easy way to nourish your skin from the inside out, let me introduce you to my Green Glow smoothie. This is more than just a tasty drink. It's a daily ritual that can help you feel refreshed, energized, and radiant, all in one glass. The first ingredient is 1 cup of fresh spinach. Spinach is loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your skin from environmental stresses and free radicals. It's also a great source of vitamin A, which supports skin cell turnover and keeps your complexion looking bright and healthy. Next, add half a cup of juicy pineapple. Pineapple is bursting with vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and youthful, and vitamin C helps your body make more of it naturally. Plus, pineapple adds a sweet tropical flavor that makes this smoothie irresistible. Then scoop in half an avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which help lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and supple. It also contains vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage and supports healing. For natural sweetness and creaminess, add 1 small banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps balance your skin's hydration levels, and they give the smoothie a smooth, velvety texture. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting a healthy skin barrier. They also add a little fiber, which is great for digestion and overall wellness. Finally, pour in 1 cup of coconut water. Coconut water is incredibly hydrating and full of electrolytes, which help your skin stay plump and dewy. It's a refreshing base that ties all the flavors together. Once you've added all your ingredients to the blender, blend until smooth. The result is a vibrant green smoothie that's as beautiful as it is beneficial. Each sip delivers a powerful combination of nutrients that may support collagen production, calm inflammation, and deeply hydrate your skin from within. Over time, you might notice your skin looking more radiant, feeling softer, and even appearing more even-toned. That's the magic of nourishing your body with the right ingredients. This smoothie is a simple, delicious way to blend hydration, collagen-boosting nutrients, and anti-inflammatory power into your daily routine. It's perfect for busy mornings, post-workout recovery, or any time you want to give your skin a little extra love. With every sip, you're supporting your skin's natural glow, helping it stay resilient against daily stress, and giving your body the building blocks it needs for healthy, beautiful skin. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. Treat yourself to this green glow smoothie and let your natural radiance shine through, because you and your skin deserve the very best. And you know, there's solid science behind this. Spinach, avocado, chia seeds, and pineapple are all celebrated in nutrition science for their roles in skin hydration, collagen synthesis, and inflammation reduction. So next time you're craving something refreshing, reach for this smoothie and toast to your healthiest, most radiant skin yet. Now here's the tough love: sugar and processed foods really do wreck collagen. If you swap them for whole foods, your skin will calm, clear, and glow. Let's quickly recap the ultimate lineup for your skin's health and radiance. Think of these foods as your skin's dream team, each one bringing something unique to the table. Protein sources like chicken and salmon help build and repair your skin's structure, keeping it firm and resilient. Healthy fats from avocado deeply nourish and hydrate, giving your skin that supple, dewy look. Colorful fruits, like berries, are packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from daily stress and environmental damage, supporting a natural glow from within. And don't forget the power of spices. Turmeric and cinnamon, for example, can help calm inflammation and add a vibrant glow to your complexion, making your meals both delicious and skin-friendly. Even a little dark chocolate can be a treat for your skin, thanks to its antioxidants and minerals that support skin health and add a touch of indulgence to your routine. By including these nourishing foods in your daily meals, you're giving your skin the building blocks it needs to look youthful, vibrant, and naturally radiant, so you can glow from the inside out. Don't feel like you need to change everything overnight. Start with 1 swap this week. Maybe add berries or try chia seeds. Small steps add up. I'm not a doctor. This is for information only. Always check with your healthcare provider before making changes. So, $100 cream or $1 sweet potato superfood? What's your pick? Drop your vote in the comments and share why. Thanks for being here. Stay glowing, and I'll see you next time.